Today we will be doing problem based on Pythagoras theorem. Last class we have left with Pythagoras theorem. Just we will do one or two problems based on this, and then we will move to congruency of triangles. So here it is quite simple. On the other day I explained Pythagoras theorem and its applications very briefly. Once again, just we will do one or two. And here this is the triangle given, and these are the measurements given. So he is asking what is the length from here to here, here to here, and what is the length from total distance. So this is right angle triangle. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. Already we have discussed so many times. Square on the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Angle, side opposite to the right angle. Side opposite to the right angle. This is called hypotenuse. So PS square is equal to PR square plus RS square. So PS is what is given? 17. PR 15 plus RS square. So 17 square minus 15 square is equal to RS square. So 17 is 289, 15 is 225. 64. RS square is equal to 64, that means RS is equal to 8. So we have found this one. So in the same way, calculate this one. This is right angle triangle, 225, 25 is 625. Square on the hypotenuse. Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. So this is, we don't know, QR square. I am considering this triangle now. Plus QR square plus PR square. So 625 is equal to QR square is QR, we don't know, plus PR is given as 15. So 625 minus 225, 4. So that means QR is equal to 400. Equations and that all, please refer to my basics class. So many basics, 1, 2, 3, some approximately 10 basics classes are there. How to transpose that all, it is clearly mentioned. QR is equal to, when square is 400, so then 200 to 1 is 400. So it is QR is 20. So total is 28. He is asking this one is 20, this is and total length is QR. It's quite simple, students. There is nothing much difficulty in this Pythagoras theorem. Only thing is you need to know the equations. Next we will do one small word problems based on this. So it is very interesting problems. The heights of two towers are 34 and 10. 34 and 10. Heights of two towers. You are standing somewhere and you are observing two towers. What are the heights of two towers? One is 34, one is 10 centimeters. Far, you are standing far away. You went to a picnic, you are finding the two towers. One is, what is that? One of the tower is 34 meters and one is 10 meters only. Like this, I am standing here, I am just observing. So what I want to know is, if the distance between their feet is 32 meters, distance between their feet is from here to here. You are standing here and some person is standing here. Some distance between them is what is given? 32 meters. Find the distance between their tops. I want the distance between their tops. Top means this one. So P, Q, R, S. There are two towers. You are standing far away. You are just observing two towers. One is 10, one is 34. And again from the distance you calculated some rough approximation. You calculated 32 or it might be 32 meters. Now my question is, what is the distance between the two towers? Opposite. What would be the length of the two towers? That means what you will do, you will join this one. Right? Correct. Next what you will do, you have to drop a perpendicular. Drop a perpendicular means you know the perpendicular bisectors how we will do. So this will be like this. Clear? So my question is, if this is 32, this forms a rectangle now. So this then also this is also equal to 32 meters. Something name it as QT. Now this is 10. Total length is, what is total length? 34. That means already this is 10. So from here to here it is 10. So total is 34. That means this is 24. Are you getting my point? Are you following what I am saying? Simple logic. In the coming class, when you go to 9th and 10th class, there will be more typical problem based on Pythagoras theorem, and there is one chapter called trigonometry. There we will be doing numerous problems based on this, and the concept will be same. But there some sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, those applications will come. Then later on you can apply that. Here it is not required. So this is 10, this is 10. That means, because since this is a rectangle. So total length is 34. So this already 10. So 34 minus 10 is, I got 24. Now this is 32, 24. Easily now I frame the triangle. And again apply concept of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, what is that said? Square on the hypotenuse. Qs square is equal to 32 square plus 24 square. You simply calculate it and you do by yourself, because it's not possible for me to write all the steps and do calculations. Next, we'll go to another problem. Is it clear? The concept is clear. 2 towers and this geometrical methodology is clear. That's it. We'll go to another problem. I will read out the question. A ladder 26 meters long rests against a vertical wall. Ladder is there. Ladder, it is resting against a vertical wall. It reaches a window height of 12 meters. How's that? A ladder 26 against a vertical wall with its foot 10 meters away from the wall. How high up the wall will the ladder reach? A ladder 26 meters long, already given ladder 26 meters long, it rests against a vertical wall. Some wall is there like this. The ladder is just lying like this, and tell me what is given? Against a vertical wall with its foot 10 meters away from the wall. So just look at this board only, you take this board only, just take this board example. Think that this is the ladder. This is the ladder. This one. Now this forms the ladder. You are climbing on this ladder. Think that you are climbing on this ladder. How many meters it is there? 26 meters. Just I am giving an example. A ladder 26 meters long rests against a vertical wall. Do you think that this is a vertical wall? Wall means this is a wall. Just imagine. Wall with its foot 10 meters away from the wall. Foot means what? What do you mean by foot? Foot means like our feet. With its foot 10 meters away from the wall. Away from the wall. What is that wall? Away from the wall means this is the wall, no? Away from the wall. That means when you from here to here, what is the distance it is giving? 10 meters. She is staying 10 meters away from the wall. How high up the wall will the ladder reach? How high up means what is the height of the wall is asking. How high up the wall will the ladder reach? Means if you put the ladder here, what is the distance, or if you know what is the distance. So it's clear. Now we have framed the question. So the equation you have to frame now. What is that equation? Let this be P, let this be Q, let this be R. So hypotenuse. This now the ladder is become hypotenuse now because this is a right angle. This is right angle. So 26 square is equal to what is that? PQ. Something I am naming it as PQ plus QR. So 26 square is equal to PQ. What is the length given? Because already it is given from the wall to the foot. It is clearly mentioned. Wall with its foot 10 meters away from the wall. 10 meters from foot means this one. It is 10 meters away from the wall. So that means 26 is equal to 10 square plus PQ square, QR square. This is, so PQ square is nothing but 10 square plus QR square. What is it? 26 square minus 10 square is equal to QR square. So QR is equal to 26 square minus 10 square. So you simplify this, you will get the answer. That's it. So like this you can do so many problems, but the concept is same. They will give rectangle, just they will give rectangle, they will give this length, and they will give this one. They will ask to find out. The concept is same. So please try to do more problem based on this. So just I want to say something about congruency part, and we will be doing more problem based on that. Congruency, what do you mean by congruency? Congruency and similar triangles. So with this, Pythagoras theorem problem is finished. Congruency means having same shape and same figure. So same shape and same figure means just look at these diagrams carefully. These two, it look like having same shape and same figure. So they are said to be congruency. But look at the second example. This circle is small but this circle is big. They are having similar features. That means they are not congruency, they are similar triangles. Similar. Like twins. Twins, they will look like, no, they are similar. You can't say they are congruency because one cannot fit into another. Or one cannot go in and fit into another. They are not. So don't go much deep into that. What is the meaning of congruency means plane figures which are having same shape and same size, so that if you put one figure over the other, they both should collapse. Sorry, both should coincide. See this, my fingers. These are my fingers. This is like this. Are they coinciding? Yes. Then these two. Then this is said to be congruency. Congruency means like both should overlap. When you replace one figure with the other, they should overlap like this. They are called congruency. Similar means like you will be observing now TVs in your relatives. One will be having small TV, one will be having some 50 inches TV, like that big TVs. Like you can imagine some, if you rich people, they are having cinema theater itself, they are having in their home. So in average people, what they will have some small kind of TVs. So they are said to be similar triangles. Are you getting my point? So that's it. So in the next class we will be doing more about similar and congruency problem based on that. Thank you students. Thank you very much. Bye.